In this video, you're going to learn how to prepare an Arizona Corporation Commission cover sheet that must be submitted with every document filed with the ACC. We are Arizona Limited Liability Company attorneys who have formed more than 5,800 LLCs. We created a series of videos that demonstrate how to use the Arizona Corporation Commission's website to search company names, complete ACC forms, and use the Corporation Commission's eCorp services and online filing system. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. If you have comments or questions about LLCs, put them in the comments section below. If you intend to file a document with the Arizona Corporation Commission, the document must be accompanied with a second document called the cover sheet. I'll now demonstrate how you complete and prepare the cover sheet. Let's enter into the URL area of your browser the domain name for the Arizona Corporation Commission's cover sheet. Push enter. It's going to take you to the Corporation Commission's website where you'll have the cover sheet. Next, download the PDF file to your local computer. I'm using Firefox, so I have to do a save page as. Now it's downloading in Firefox, and when I click on the blue arrow that's pointing down, I see the cover sheet has been downloaded to my computer, so I'm going to click on it twice and open the PDF document. And now I have the PDF cover sheet on my computer, and I can fill out the data into the cover sheet. You can't fill it out online. So the first thing you need to do is select whether you're filing for a new entity or filing with respect to an existing entity, or you're resubmitting a document that's been rejected. Next, in the entity name field, you have to put in the exact name of the corporation or LLC as it's shown on the Corporation Commission's records. So if you're not sure the exact name of your company, then you should go to the Arizona Corporation Commission's name database and do a search for your company. Let's go to the Corporation Commission's website and search for the name of an Arizona LLC or corporation to double check that we have the exact name. So in your URL bar, go and type ecorp.azcc.gov/SEARCH, then push the enter button. Now, over on the right side under the text name, enter the name of the company that you want to search for. Then notice under the search type you have a choice to search for text that starts with the text in the name field or that contains text in the name field. Select the choice that you want and then push search. If you see the name of your company on the search results page, then just click on that link and it'll take you to the information page about the company, and now you can double check under the corporate name. It's going to have the exact name on file with the Arizona Corporation Commission. If you need the file number, note that the file number is at the top of the page. After you've determined the exact name of your company, enter that in the entity name field. Next, you have to decide whether you want to pay for expedited filing and review of your document. So if you do want expedited filing, you're going to check the yes box. If you do not want expedited filing, then select the no box. Note that if you want expedited filing, check the yes box, and then you're going to have to pay $35 in addition to whatever the filing fee is for the document that you're filing. Next, to determine whether it's worth the $35 or not, scroll down to the bottom of the form and then click on the link that'll take you to the Corporation Commission's website where they report on current document processing times. So you'll notice in the left column it tells you the type of document that's being filed, and then you've got an expedited column and a non-expedited column. Under each of these columns, expedited and non-expedited, it's going to tell you how many business days it's going to take for the Corporation Commission to review the type of document that you're filing. So notice you've got in the left column LLC, new filings, corporations, new filings, all amendments, changes of address, officers, agents, agent resignations, annual reports, and other documents. So look at the table and see how many days for regular filing and how many days for expedited filing. And if you need to have it approved and reviewed by the Corporation Commission as soon as possible, then select expedited filing and pay the additional $35. After you've determined whether it's worth the additional $35, make sure you select the yes box if you want expedited review, or if you don't want expedited review, then put a check in the no box. Now scroll down and go to the required return delivery option area, and you've got three options here. You can select to have the results of your document filing emailed to you, or you can have it be picked up by yourself or somebody else, or you can have the Corporation Commission mail the documents to you. So if you want the Corporation Commission to email the documents to you, select the email box, put a check there, and then to write that, enter your email address. If you want the documents mailed to you, then put a check in the mailbox and then enter the name of the person who's to receive the documents, and then enter the mailing address of that person. And I also recommend that you enter the phone number. That's it. You've now completed the cover sheet. So go back up to the top of the document and you'll see there's a text that says print form. Click on the print form, and if it doesn't print, then use the print feature on your browser to print the document. You'll need to attach this document to the document that you end up filing with the Corporation Commission. If you have any questions about forming or operating an Arizona LLC, call me or my son. We've formed over 5,800 Arizona LLCs, and we don't charge to answer questions about LLCs or corporations. I'm Rick, the father, and you can see my contact info on the screen. You can also call my son Ricky. He's an ASU Law School grad licensed to practice law in Arizona and in California. Now, if you want to hire us to form an LLC, we have three different packages: the bronze, silver, and gold. First thing is to call myself or my son, get your questions answered. Then if you want to compare the contents of our three packages, go to keytlaw.com/packages. And when you're ready to hire us to form your company, just complete our online questionnaire at keytlaw.com/azllclaw/LLCQ, or you can call Ricky or myself and give us your information over the phone. Now, we also prepare operating agreements for Arizona and California LLCs. So the first step is to get your questions answered by calling one of us. When you are ready to go, you complete our online operating agreement questionnaire at keytlaw.com/OA/Q. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please share it with your friends and hit the like button below, and be sure to subscribe because we make new informational videos every week. If you have any questions or would like a video on a topic, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.